my fucking truck.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. I'm going to do a little quick episode. Going to take a look at a couple shoes that I got for a couple customers. Try to get this done. Move Goku out the way. Let me get you guys some box action. Make sure it focuses. You guys know what this is by now looking at the box. It's the Air Jordan 6 Retro. Carmine in black. Nike. Finally got time around to understanding that I ordered a whole bunch of these. Got sending them to me. Let's get to the shoe, guys. See if we can have Goku stay up there while we review the shoe. My Carmines came good. No pink, only on one pair. I hope you guys could see it. The only problem I have with these shoes are even though they didn't come pink, they still came with some raggedy stitching. Quality control on the Carmines aren't the best, but this is the shoe that all you guys are looking for. Dead stock Carminers. So, I had to bust out a pair for you guys so I'll let you know. Carmine's just a beautiful shoe. One of my favorites. I got a pair for myself as well. This is a pair for a customer. They may or may not be getting them. So if anybody is interested in a pair of 9.5 Carmines, let me know. I won't beat you over the head for them. I have other pairs too, so if you're interested in Carmines, period, definitely let me know. I have over 50 pairs of Carmines, ready to rock and roll. Woo, this is a clean shoe. Very clean shoe. I hope everybody got a chance to hit on the Carmines. A lot of people have been bringing them into the shop since Nike has been sending them out. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's some of that bad stitching I was just telling you about right here. But other than that, the shoe's all right. All right, let's get on to this next shoe. All right, guys, let's take a look at this next one. I couldn't believe when this shoe sold out and started going for a lot. Cousin Ron, this is your pair. I didn't even get a pair for myself, man. My cousin just told me about it. Oh, this is the new eBay deal going down. Little card they give you. Woo. For those of you who don't know, I'll just put this shoe down. This is the Air Max Charles Barkley 94. Pardon me, guys. Classic shoe. I have the 1994 version. I may go and try to get a pair of these when they drop down a little bit. Kakarot, will you stay up there? It's just a little bit too expensive. But it's a very clean shoe. I'll move back a bit for you guys. Made of top quality premium materials. All over. It's a couple of glue stains on this pair. I don't know if you guys could see it, but Nike hasn't been doing the best job on stuff recently, but that Nike Air on the back, guys. Come on. Come on. So you can see this is a eBay and Ozone verified pair. You guys know it's 200% authentic. Only the real for you guys. The best of the real. Ooh, let me know what you guys think of these Charles Barkley. If you get a pair, are you going to get a pair? I got a pair of the black ones. When I go through my stuff, I'll get these out. I just want to take a look at these before I give them to my cousin. I said, Ron, this is your pair, bro. Kakarot. Get out of there, boy. Woo. This shoe is bad, and that's eBay tag. The way the Verify put that on there, that just makes it perfect. Alright guys, remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. We're going to keep the channel moving and growing. Keep the collection moving and growing. Remember to hit me up in case you need any shoes, clothes, jewelry. We got it all. We're going to get the eBay going better. Going to get a couple other things out there so you guys can stay fresh and stay fly for this summer, guys. Thanks for watching.
get